Polling begins in first phase of AJK elections in Mirpur. Hi, I'm Iman Khalid and welcome to Pakistan Connect News Bulletin at 3 p.m. PMLN PPP locks horns as polling begins in first phase of AJK elections in Mirpur division. The first phase of election in Azad Jammu and Kashmir has begun with polling underway across 13 constituencies of the Mirpur division. Voting is taking place in 3 districts, Mirpur, Bhimber and Kotli, where election authorities have completed the delivery of polling materials to stations ahead of the voting process. US Ambassador says Trump paused Iran strikes to create space for diplomacy. US Ambassador to the United Nations Mike Waltz said President Trump has paused military strikes against Iran to create additional room for diplomacy and gave Tehran an opportunity to return to negotiations. Naqvi Mir chief discusses political and security situations. Interior Minister Mohsin Naqvi visited Mansoura in Lahore, where he met Jamaat-e-Islami Amir Hafiz Naeem Rahman to discuss the country's overall political and security situation, regional developments and issues affecting the public. Two AJK election officials arrested over ruging allegations. Azad Jammu and Kashmir Election Commission has suspended 2 presiding officers after arresting them over ruging allegations, according to a spokesperson for the Election Commission of Azad Kashmir. 2 presiding officers had gone to private residencies and set off a polling station with 2 polling bags. The returning officer immediately took custody of the polling bags and appointed new presiding officers and sent them to the polling station. Indian minister's remarks on Kashmir dispute condemned as provocative. Pakistan has condemned the remarks by the Indian Defence Minister with regard to Jammu and Kashmir dispute as highly provocative and irresponsible. Foreign Office spokesperson Tahir Andrabi, in a statement issued here on Sunday, said that the remarks by the Indian Defence Minister in the context of Jammu and Kashmir are highly provocative and irresponsible. Iran Foreign Minister says Ukraine's attacks on Iranian vessel cannot go unanswered. Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araqchi said on Sunday that Ukrainian attack on an Iranian commercial vessel cannot go unanswered. Iran said the attack is a Caspian Sea resulted in an explosion that killed 1 sailor and injured another. Stay connected to Pakistan Connect for more updates.